All right, here we have the last devlog diary for devlog diary. Dear diary, today I tried to make the accessibility better on Brandon's animation site by adding in the HTML language tag, attribute, not a tag. Okay, so here we have his current measurements on web.dev. This is being cached globally because I'm running through the Netlify CDN. So I expect this to actually get better and better, but pretty happy where it is at the moment. And if we have a look at the site over here, you can see how it loads in still. We've got our cookies all sorted. Brandon does say that he wants to update his show reel to kind of match the styling of the site, which I think is just such a great idea. And here we have, when we go to portfolio of work, we see nothing is loaded yet. I'll show you in a moment in the background. It is actually already loading general. Man, those are really cool. So he also wants to add in another button for Unreal Engine, work that he's doing in Unreal Engine at the moment, which I haven't seen yet, and I'm actually pretty excited to see because this is all really, really cool stuff. And here we have Pandora, the one game that he did these characters for. We've got the main character, Pandora, Athena. We've got the NPCs, the humans, and the mermaids. There's that little loading animation that you saw there as well, which was also quite fun to put together. I think maybe next time what I'll do is I'll kind of get it breathing. So smaller, bigger. But these load times really aren't too drastic. I've only had one error with fetching, and that was on my side of my spotty internet connection here in Sedgefield. But yeah, looking all great, and it was cool to hear that Brandon was even updating some of these videos as he was going, so it's helping him to kind of continually sharpen up his work. He said the rigging on Athena specifically wasn't great initially, but I think it's looking, really, really good. Oh, look at that. Jeez. Yeah, he's very, very good. And then we've still got the contact form, and that's all working very, very nicely. Let's have a look at a few of the things that I did. So here's how I set this up, and it's not really great. I think when he starts to add in some more tags along the way, then I'm going to change this up and store all of that. At the moment here, I'm storing all of the tags that he's used in Cloudinary. In Cloudinary down here in an array, and I'm just kind of manually adding, and then I'm pulling it across over here, running the video URI function, which returns this URI with the tag at the end, .json, so that we get the correct tags. Also an update function over here. It was cool to use the fetch functionality in Nuxt a little bit more, get my head around it a little bit more. But I think what I really am going to be doing from the future updates, and I might even go back on my own site and use it as well, but I really should be making a data folder over here, running a function that spits it all out in JSON, or just writing straight in JSON over there, so it's pulling it across, and it's a little bit drier over here. We can just iterate through the array that we pull through. You can check a lot of these things are, but it's working and it looks really, really good. We're both really happy with how it turned out. Other than that, haven't really added too many other plugins or things like that. So all looking good, all very happy with that. What this has made me really think, because it's not a massive application, it was still very cool to use Nuxt, and I'm just, sold on Nuxt in a very, very big way. Are we using that? Yeah, we are. I could have actually probably used 11t for this and got away, because I've used the kind of the data fetching a little bit more in 11t. So I could have done that. Maybe I will next time. So if I have another client who's looking for really, of course, they're all single-page applications, largely what we're doing in the JAMstack. But yeah, this really is. It's just these three. We really could have just even hidden this on the page, or made this as a pop-up or something like that. And really could have kept that as well. Pop that down there. I just really liked how there is the clicking. It's all loading anyway. Oh, no, I actually turned off prefetch on this because I thought that would just give us a little bit more over here, and I haven't actually tested it out, but I think it has. That's worked on some other things that I've done. But yeah, that's basically it. If you got any questions, any comments, ways that you think it could be, more efficient, a little bit better, then please do let me know. Maybe I could have put the show reel and all these other things. I kept it back, and then only when someone clicks on here. So just have kind of an image or a block over here, where only when we push play or click on it, that's when it fetches this. It's only a 45-second clip, and it's not blocking anything along the way. So I thought it was fine to drop down and load like that. But yeah, let me know what you think. And yeah, thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye.